welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Moni Sarumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On February 19th, with a solemn Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Angel Fernandez Artime, the Rector Major, concelebrated by Monsieur Carlos Alberto Salcedo, Auxiliary Bishop of Huancayo, and numerous Salesians. The celebrations for 100 years of Salesian presence in the city of Huancayo were officially opened. February 15, 2023 was an important day for the St. John Paul II province of India, Shillong, due to the inauguration of a new building at the Bosco Panar House in Jowai. Present at the inauguration ceremony were Archbishop Ferdinand Dakar, Diocesan Administrator of Jowai, Father Paul Olunkat, Superior of INS, Father James Ternyang, Provincial Bazaar, Father Francisco Dhar, Director of the Bosco Panar Center, Father Genesis Wanyang, Director of the Provincial Planning and Development Office, BITS, Father Donbor Jerwa, Administrator of Bosco Panar, together with some Salesians from Jowai and the Shillong region, members of the local Salesian family, students and collaborators of the work, and the builder and the architect who carried out the construction work. On February 17th, another shipment of humanitarian aid from Warsaw began its journey to the warehouse in Lviv. Thanks to the help of benefactors, the Ukrainian needy will receive food, thermal, blankets, clothes, shoes, gloves, thermal underwear, blankets, flashlights, power banks with solar batteries, candles, diapers and medicines. These items will be distributed from the logistics center in Lviv and through Salesian communities will reach people in need throughout Ukraine. The aid will reach hundreds of people. The approximate quantity of the goods is 9 tons. On February 11th and 12th, more than 350 young people gathered at the Salesian work in El Campello to celebrate Camp Bosco 2023, the meeting of the itinerary of faith education that each year brings together participants in the age group from the second year of bachelor's degree onward from Salesian houses in the Valencian community, Murcia and Aragon. New this year was the presence of young people from the houses of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA in Valencia and Alicante. We Meet on the Way is an appointment full of testimonies, formative and vocational dynamics that delve into the life, people, objects and places of Don Bosco, which help to fulfill one's life journey as a Christian today. The meeting, which began with a greeting from Father Angel Asumendi, Superior of the Mary Help of Christians SMX province, was divided into 4 levels according to the formative stages. The first 3 levels delved into the life of Don Bosco, analyzing the characters in his life, the places where he carried out his mission, and the objects he used throughout his life. The 4th level took a more in-depth approach to Don Bosco's faith and style. The meeting was attended by 9 Salesians and 1 FMA, in addition to coordinating team made up of volunteers from the youth centers. Thousands of displaced people in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo still need assistance. The situation remains critical, especially around Goma, the capital of the North Kivu province. To seek safety, thousands of other displaced people have settled on the land of the Salesian house Don Bosco Shasha. The Salesians are doing their utmost for them, but they themselves need help. Today we received another group of people displaced by the war in our Don Bosco community in Shasha. We are trying to figure out how we can help them. They have fled, leaving almost everything in their homes and are in an extremely precarious situation. We really must remain united in prayer for this situation, which is expected to continue. This is the reality described by the Salesians present in the East delegation of the Central Africa Province AFC-EST. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.